The centre is going to introduce a new civil aviation policy very soon. The Minister of State for Civil Aviation, Dr. Mahesh Sharma, said that the country's civil aviation sector is growing at a rate of 22%, which is the maximum in the world. And he also said that India ranks 9th in the civil aviation sector in the world. Changes in the rules are being made to facilitate passengers. The changes will come into effect in the next 15 days. Ministry of Civil Aviation has brought about many changes to strengthen the aviation sector and to facilitate passengers. Earlier, there was no time limit on refund procedure. Now, it is the responsibility of the airlines to refund money into the account of the passenger within 15 days in case of domestic flights and 30 days in case of international flights. Cancellation charges will not be more than 200 rupees. If airlines inform the passenger 2 weeks before the journey date, in such a case, the airlines are liable to pay no compensation to the passenger.
ये पैसा एयरलाइंस की जिम्मेदारी होगी कि पैसेंजर के खाते में वापस जाए। वह ये बहाना भी नहीं कर पाएंगे कि एजेंट के थ्रू जाए, एजेंट ने पैसा लिया या नहीं मिला। और इसके दौरान सभी जो टैक्सेस हैं वो वापस करने होंगे। सिर्फ बेसिक फेयर और फ्यूल चार्जेस जो होंगे वही रिफंड में आएंगे, लेकिन टैक्सेस के ऊपर किसी भी तरह का अधिकार एयरलाइंस का नहीं होगा।
If you arrive at the airport and the flight is fully occupied, and in such case the airlines provides you with a flight within 1 hour, then the passenger will not be provided with any kind of compensation. If the airlines provides the passenger with a flight within 24 hours, but after 1 hour, in such a case 200% of the fare or 10,000 rupees, whichever is less, will be charged. And if the passenger is provided with a flight after 24 hours, then the compensation amount will be 400% of the fare or 20,000 rupees, whichever is less.
अगर 2 घंटे पहले अगर एयरलाइन ऑपरेटर पैसेंजर को सूचना देता है और तो उसके अंदर 3 तरह के कंपनसेशन दिए गए हैं कि अगर 1 घंटे की फ्लाइंग टाइम है तो 5,000 रुपये कंपनसेशन, 2 घंटे की फ्लाइंग टाइम है तो 7,500 रुपये कंपनसेशन, और अगर 2 घंटे से अधिक की फ्लाइट है तो 10,000 रुपये कंपनसेशन दिया जाएगा।
Till now, passengers could carry luggage weighing up to 15 kgs. For every extra kg, they had to pay 300 rupees per kg, which has now been reduced to 100 rupees per kg. It has become necessary for every airport operator to provide a ramp for differently able people. These rules will come into effect within 15 days. Nitendra Singh's report, DD News.